Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm just going to go over some of the process of what I'm going to do to this Redcat Gen8 Scout II body. I'm going to be painting the top and the sides black. Before I did so, I actually cleared out the windows, as you can see here. I've already done some taping, but if you can tell, I mean, these windows have already been cleared out. Now, what I used to clear out the windows was the Tamiya polycarbonate body cleaner, and I would imagine it works pretty similar to nitro fuel. Basically, I just got a paper towel, put some of this body cleaner on it, and just went away at it. It took some time. You know, sanding might actually be faster, but I didn't want to deal with wet sanding and polishing to kind of get the scratch marks out. So I went ahead and used my Tamiya polycarbonate cleaner. I will put a link to this in the description below. So right now I have it where all the windows are clear, and I've masked off the top. Now I'm not completely mask off the body. I'm just going to use like a plastic bag or something to cover the rest of the body up where this tape is, and just cover the rest here. And so the first thing I'll be doing is I'll just probably be putting a coat of black, probably Tamiya PS5 black on it, and then afterward I'll probably use Tamiya PS55 flat clear to go over that. And just for good measure, I'll probably plastic dip the top as well, just to make it, you know, look like it has that texture. The only reason I'm putting the PS5 and PS55 underneath is if the plastic dip doesn't work out, or if it tears off, I still have the black top. So when we come back, I'll show you what I have painted. But before I do paint, I am going to mask off these windows. So I'm going to put some tape over it, trace over it, and make some maskings for the window, because I want to have that border there, that black border. I'm going to be painting that in, or I might be reusing the decals that came with the truck and cutting out the border. Alright, just to give you an idea of how I'm going to be doing the masking for the windows, basically I put painter's tape over the window, and I traced over the edges of the window. And I'm going to take this off and use scissors to cut that edge around it and put the painter's tape back on as a mask. Now, some of you may be wondering, why don't I just use an X-Acto knife and just kind of go over these lines? Well, some of you guys are experts at cutting with an X-Acto knife. I am not that guy. I do much better with scissors. So I'll cut this mask out and we'll be right back. Okay, so here's my mask all cut out, and I'm ready to apply it to the body. There you go, one down, two more windows to go. Okay, so I've got all the windows masked off, as you can see. And I'll use a bag to mask off the rest of the body beneath this front windshield area and the side right here. And I'll clean up the top and put coats of paint on it. We'll be right back. Alright guys, as you can see here, I've put on the initial coat of PS5 black and PS55 flat clear. It's starting to look pretty good. Still a little early in the morning, so it's still a little bit too cold to put a layer of plastic dip on it, but once the weather warms up a little bit, I'll put another layer of plastic dip. Okay, the plastic dipping is done, and this is how it looks now. So now I'm ready to peel off the masking, and we'll be right back after I do so. Okay, I've now got all the window decals cut out, leaving just the frame. And as you can see, I have clear windows now. turned out pretty nice. And here's the plastic dip top. It's got that nice flat texture to it. Really happy with the way it came out. And that just about does it for the modifications to the body of the Gen8 Scout II. Overall, I think it came out pretty nice. It looks really good, and I can't wait to take it out for a hill climb. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.